Good morning, students. Let's start the SCP-2 of the Olympic game. Children, we have already discussed how the Olympic game began in the previous class. We read about the great hero Hercules and his adventure, and about the Greek god the Zeus. The game started thousands years ago, continued for a long time, but stopped, discontinued in the mid of time due to the Greek kings who were afraid of the power, courage, and talent of the athletes. Student, let's read the SCP-2. Many hundreds years later, in 1896, a young Frenchman named Baron Pierre de Coubertin started the modern Olympic Games. He wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete in a friendly spirit. The Olympic Games are held once in every 4 years. The Olympic symbol with 5 rings stands for the unity of 5 continents. At least one of the color of the ring, blue, black, red, yellow and green, appears in the flag of each country that takes part. The Olympic motto written in Latin is swifter, higher and stronger. Coubertin felt it described the aim of great athletes all over the world. Weeks before the game began, a woman dressed in Greek robes lights the Olympic torch in the Olympia Valley in Greece. Many participants take turns with torch through different countries. The final runner carries it to the stadium just before the games begin. The Olympic flame is then kept burning until the games close. The flame is put out at the closing ceremony. It is time for all the athletes to return home. There are some winners and many losers. They think about the hard work and training that they had to do to come to the games. And many of them feel happy that although they did not win, they had the chance to compete against the best players in the field. Perhaps they also remember the wonderful advice that Baron de Coubertin gave. His message to all the Olympic participants was, the most important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win but to participate. Students, we know the Olympic game was discontinued. But many hundred years later, in 1896, a young Frenchman named Baron Pierre de Coubertin started the modern Olympic Games. What do you mean by Frenchman? A man belongs to France is called a French. He wanted people from all over the world to come together and compete with each other in a friendly manner, in a friendly spirit. So, Baron Pierre de Coubertin was the creator of the new modern Olympic game. The Olympic Games are held or taken place once in 4 years. The Olympic symbol you have seen before in the screen with 5 rings stand for unity of the 5 continents. It had 5 colors: blue, black, red, yellow and green. At least one color of the ring must appear in the flag of each country who takes part in the Olympic game. The Olympic motto written in Latin is swifter, higher and stronger. Latin is a language spoken in ancient Rome, France and other European countries. The words swifter, higher and stronger are in comparative degree. Swift, swifter, high, higher, strong, stronger. Coubertin felt it described the aim of the great athletes all over the world. That means Coubertin felt that these athletes or players are more swifter, higher and stronger than the other player. Let's know how the preparation made for the Olympic game. Weeks before the games begin, a woman dressed herself in Greek robes lights the Olympic torch, where in the Olympia Valley in Greece, the place of origin of the game. Then many participants take turns with the torch through different countries. They run from one country to other by their players with the torch. Then the final runner carries it to the stadium just before the games begin. The Olympic flame is then kept burning continually until the game closes. The flame put out at the closing ceremony. It is the time for all the athletes to return home. It is a time of emotion. There are some winners and many losers. They think about the hard work and training that they had to do to come the games. Many of them feel happy that although they lose, but they get a chance to participate, compete against the world's best player in their field. They remember the wonderful advice of Baron de Coubertin. His message to all the Olympians: the most important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win but to participate. Meaning of new words: later, ପରେ, modern, ଆଧୁନିକ, friendly spirit, ବନ୍ଧୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭାବନା, continents, ମହାଦେଶ, at least, ଅତି କମରେ, appears, ଦୃଶ୍ୟମାନ, flag, ପତାକା, country, ଦେଶ, athletics, କ୍ରୀଡ଼ାବିତ, swifter, କ୍ଷିପ୍ରତର, higher, ଉଚ୍ଚତର, stronger, ଦୃଢ଼ତର, motto, ଆଦର୍ଶ, Greek robe, Greek ବେଶଧାରୀ, take turns, ଜଣକ ପରେ ଜଣେ ବା ପାଳି କରି, flame, ଜ୍ୟୋତି, put out, ଲିଭେଇବା, winner, ବିଜେତା, lose, ପରାଜିତ, message, ବାର୍ତ୍ତା। ହୋମୱାର୍କ ହେଲା SCP-2ରୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ନୂଆ ଶବ୍ଦ ବାଛ ଯାହାର ଅର୍ଥ ତୁମେ ବୁଝିପାରୁନ। ତାପରେ କମ୍ପ୍ରିହେନ୍ସନ୍ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଅଛି SCP-2ର ନମ୍ବର 1 to 19 ଯାଏ ଅଛି। ତୁମେ ନମ୍ବର 1 to 9 ଯାଏ କରିବ।